Yo, we tell it how it is, you know what I'm saying? It ain't really nothing. Johnny Storm. Hey yo, nigga, don't me. I always got new chicks, mad whips, got mad kicks, homie. What you wanna show me? I do my thing on my own. Grown, dirt up on my lonely. Don't need a hack man, don't need a mic stand. Just need a game and a tight plan. Know that I'm a rider, so when a chick you see me with, best believe that I'm a grinder. Don't know where to find her, because I shine so bright, so light that I'm a blinder. Out in Carolina, I'm with my 30 South chick, big baddie dick. Seen something finer, this is how I do, man. Go deep with the crew, man. Why hate my school, man? What you wanna do, man? You act like you never knew, man. J to the ESQ, man. Johnny Storm, under the blood, blaze. Hey yo, freak you, listen ma, I'm just trying to peep you, creep you. Back up in my lab in the see-through setting. Man, I gotta beat you with something. I hit you with the snake and it really ain't nothing when I does what I does and do what I do. If real recognize real, who the hell are you? I'm way ahead of you, cause I mastered the flow and the flow got mastered a long time ago. Whoa. I don't shine, I gleam. Big chicks get pulled in the slipstream. There's too many ladies and a whole lot of freaks, and they all on your boy, cause your boy's so chic. Put my mat down, make your knees get weak. Pretty woman shit, take you up of the street. Back the head, it's something that your boy get deep. You crumble in a heap till you can't even speak. Oh, so
Easy boy, slow down, you're feeling me, boy. The way you sweating me, you're killing me, boy. I just came out with my girls, I'm just trying to enjoy. It's no good acting shy when you around me, boy. I wanna break you off to the early morning, but it's on. You got to be strong, walk like a champion, talk like a dog. But if you dead wrong, then you got to be gone. Ooh, this boy's a dream, so fresh, so clean. These windows getting steam, this boy's so mean. The way he makes me scream when he put it on me, so deep. Can you feel the heat? Shivers down my backbone, right to my feet. You'll be crumbled in the heat, you'll be stuttering for weeks. Yeah, yo, we gotta keep it discreet.